Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you on how to make a baby shower invitation video using LightMV. Go to the official site of the program at www.lightmv.com and then hit the Get Started button. Next, scroll down the screen to select a theme that matches to your needs, then click on the Select button. Click the plus sign icon to add a file from your computer. You can edit the text at the beginning of the video. Once done, hit the Produce button, then wait for the video to be processed. Lastly, hit the download icon to save the video on your PC. That's it! You can now send the baby shower invitation video to your friends. Thank you for watching!